Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to financial freedom? Introducing the revolutionary direct mail order program, 250 Wealth Wave, where old school meets new school in the most innovative way. Direct mail has been an age-old industry, standing tall for over 100 years, generating over $1 billion annually. And guess what? It's far from being dead. As long as UPS, FedEx, and USPS trucks are in operation, direct mail order will continue to thrive. What sets 250 Wealth Wave apart from all other programs in existence? Our comprehensive business-in-a-box marketing resources. Get ready to transform your home into a hub of profit generation. Your journey begins with a high-converting sales flyer, designed to attract leads of people already interested in starting a home business. But that's not all. You'll also receive a treasure trove of online and offline pre-written ads, strategically crafted to place your opportunity in the most popular corners of the internet and publications. For the tech-savvy entrepreneurs, we've got something extra special. Dive into the world of YouTube and TikTok marketing strategies, featuring over 40+ viral video titles, captivating descriptions, and optimized keywords. Leverage the immense popularity of these platforms to boost your reach and impact. Speaking of TikTok and YouTube, did you know that these platforms boast billions of active users? Imagine the potential audience you can tap into, promoting this incredible opportunity to millions worldwide. But that's not all. We've got something unique for our members, an offline marketing voicemail funnel. You can choose to set it up and let it do the work for you. A pre-recorded voicemail audio message will be sent via email in MP3 to you, along with instructions for you to set it up. Once you set everything up and obtain your very own voicemail number, you will then start promoting the hotline number, guiding interested prospects to request the flyer. No more phone calls, just simple, stress-free promotion. We understand that making money and promoting can be daunting for some, but fear not. 250 Wealth Wave is designed to be simple, fun, and introvert-friendly. We've taken out all the guesswork and stress, making it a breeze for anyone, even those new to this journey. With 250 Wealth Wave, you're getting incredible value, as if you were trained by a 20+ year veteran in the business. This is an opportunity you cannot afford to miss. So, are you ready to ride the wave of wealth with us? Take the first step towards your dreams and email us now, in which the email address is located either on the video or down in the description box below this video, to request your exclusive flyer. Remember, 250 Wealth Wave offers the perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Join us today and let's create a prosperous future together.